I tried to see how quickly I'd be able to improve my aim using my left hand. I'm currently an above average aimer with my right hand, but do some of these skills also transfer to my other, completely untrained hand? Or am I going to suck dots like a newbie? First time holding a mouse in my left hand. It feels so unnatural and clumsy, I want to slice myself. I'm measuring my progress using the Revisect Aim Lab benchmarks, as they are very beginner friendly but still have a high skill ceiling. I also challenged a friend of mine to see who would get the highest rank in a week. He's a casual shooter player with no experience in aim trainers, so it'll be interesting to see who ends up coming out on top, as he can of course just use his right hand. I ran all the benchmarks and apparently suck at static clicking, but I'm pretty good at tracking, just like with my right hand. Still too bad to get a rank though, and in grid shot just short of 50,000 points. Embarrassing. VetKwab 69 on the other hand got gold right from the get-go. I got some catching up to do. For practice, I just played some playlists that hit every skill aspect for about 45 minutes and ended it all with the benches, for a total playtime of about an hour a day. So how about progress? Newbie gains, baby! I already got major improvements across the board, completely skipping the bronze rank and grabbing that tasty silver rank. I also played some Apex Arenas and Diabolical with VetKwab to test my aim in-game, but came across a huge problem with left-handed aiming. The right-handed movement. I swear to God, this is way harder and more frustrating than left-handed aiming. I've had multiple times during our 1v1 where I wanted to jump off a building but was saved by my laziness to walk up the stairs. This is one of the most frustrating feelings I can think of. Don't recommend it. The solution I found to this in Apex is the aim main method. This is where you stand still during aiming, just like in aim trainers, for maximum damage output. My aim with my left is unfortunately not really there yet. Today was incredible. I'm starting to develop some fine motor control and to actually be able to control my mouse properly. I know someone who wouldn't like this as much as I do. Speaking of him, this is his sheet at the end of day 3. He's not experiencing nearly as much newbie gains as I do, and I even seem to be surpassing him. I'm starting to feel like some of my right-handed skills actually do transfer to my left as well. I also gave the intermediate benchmarks a go, but got crushed, so went to sleep crying. Some more improvements across the board. Only got clicking left to get platinum complete. This one static scenario was glitched in Aim Lab, so all this time I played the intermediate version of it, which is why my score is so low. Fixing this tomorrow. Really focused on clicking today, got platinum and maxed out the beginner benchmarks. Going for the intermediate ones tomorrow and see if I'll be able to do anything there. Feeling pretty solid with my left hand now. Holy guacamole, these benches are a big step up in difficulty. Having a really hard time here, but still got a ton of PBs and my first ever left-handed ace rank. Let's go. Last day, last chance to set some new scores and try and beat VetKwab, who also might have made some improvement in the meantime. Grinded the hell out of these benchmarks and got a couple more ace scores, but not enough to gain the ace rank. So these are my final scores. Huge improvement from where I started 7 days ago, which I do believe is thanks to my prior aim training experience. Now, let's see my sheet compared to VetKwab's. Let's go, I won. No, we're the same rank. But my scores are better. Doesn't matter, we're the same rank. Fuck. Shout out to Confirm, as I stole his idea. Lol. And follow me on Twitter, guys. I did this challenge like 6 months ago or something like that. The results were already on my Twitter, so you didn't even have to watch this video.